I'm here to talk to you about blood with this simulation about flow cytometry. But first of all, I'm going to do a brief introduction into the blood. So blood, it is a very specialized tissue which consists of many cells which are suspended in a liquid, the plasma. Blood cells are divided into three groups and are red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, and platelets. All of these cells are the formed components of the blood. They occupy 45% of its volume and are produced in the red bone marrow. The plasma consists of water, 90% of its volume, and in which inorganic salts, hormones, proteins, nutrients, etc. are dissolved. In the adult, there is an average of 5.5 liters of blood. Red blood cells are numerous. One drop of blood contains millions of erythrocytes. Their role is to transport oxygen to the tissues and remove carbon dioxide from them. Leukocytes have an important role in the body's defense and are much less than erythrocytes. Platelets are cell fragments with a diameter of 2 to 4 micrometers. They are produced in the red bone marrow and live for about 5 to 9 days. Their numbers in the number range ranges from 250,000 to 400,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. They are irregular in shape, lack a nucleus, and are colorless. Platelets play a very important role in the blood clotting process. Plasma is the liquid part of blood. It consists mainly of water in which various substances are dissolved. These include minerals, nutrients such as glucose, hormones, proteins, and substances to be excreted, such as urea. There are three important functions of blood, and they are transport, protection, and regulation. It transports oxygen from the lungs to the tissue and carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lungs. The blood coagulation process prevents liquid loss during micro-injuries and prevents the entry of microorganisms, and it contributes to the control of the amount of water and various chemical components in the tissue, as well as the maintenance of the body temperature. Now, we're going to proceed to the simulation. We're gonna, since we don't have a lot of time, we're gonna only do the introduction.
Select a blood cell to learn more.
Okay, we are gonna choose first the palette.
When we have a cut, platelets help stop the bleeding by allowing blood to form a clot.
Now we're gonna choose the red blood cell.
Red blood cells carry oxygen from our lungs to all of the body's tissues, and they carry carbon dioxide away.
And last, we're gonna click on the white blood cell.
White blood cells help us to fight infections. There are multiple types of white blood cells, each with a different specialty.
And now we're gonna continue.
In a healthy person, each type of blood cell is present in predictable proportions. If the proportions fall outside of what is considered normal, it can be a sign that something is wrong.
And that was it. Thank you very much for your time.